Archstone is a 11 attorney law firm. I like to say we're small but mighty. There are five law partners, of which I am one. We all have big law firm experience. I like to say we're big law escapees. And
I can identify with
you
that.
can, yes. And we work a lot in the healthcare space, representing medical and dental practices and providers. We also do a lot with higher education institutions. One of my law partners is an intellectual property lawyer and does a lot in that space, representing the higher education institutions and textbook authors and the like. We have one partner who does trust and estates and estate planning. And
my least favorite work.
But it comes in handy because most of our clients are businesses and executives and business owners. And as I'd love to talk about a little bit later, when we're working with clients on their succession planning, oftentimes there are estate planning issues that come into play, or estate plans that need to be updated as a result of an event that is about to take place with a seller of a business, for example. And so we also have commercial real estate experience, so buying and selling of commercial real estate, and handling commercial leases for clients. And then my sweet spot, which is the corporate and transactional work. I would say that's really the bulk of what we do at my firm. So we work with businesses, often helping them with their transactions and transitions. So, and it just so happens that I'm working a lot with sellers of businesses now, or business owners who are trying to transition their business to employees with the idea that they are going to maybe ratchet back their time in the business, or perhaps start planning their retirement, or maybe they're ready to retire. So I call that succession planning. So we work a lot with business owners who are in various stages of these transitions. And then also the M&A work, mergers and acquisitions, so that is the buying and selling of businesses, business assets. And it just so happens again that I'm working with a number of sellers right now who are selling their businesses. And then the other thing that we do very well is what I call outside general counsel, which is basically whatever one of our business clients needs. And they're primarily small businesses, and by that I mean they could be a startup anywhere to a company with 50 million in revenue, but that's still small. What distinguishes them is that they're not a public company, so they're closely held, meaning that there are a few owners, maybe they're the founders, plus some others who have joined the business along the way, but they are privately owned, and that's really a distinguishing factor for us. We work with exclusively privately owned businesses.